the following case. F of x equals x to the fourth. The graph of this is like this. It looks very much like a parabola. It's a little bit flatter on the bottom. Goes up very fast, but down here it's very close to the x-axis. If I take the first derivative, f prime of x, set it equal to 0, I will have 4x cubed equals 0. When does this happen? This happens when x equals 0. F double prime of x equals 0. When does this happen? The derivative, which is 12x squared is 0. It also happens when x equals 0. Well, look, the third derivative is 0. F triple prime of x equals 0. When is that the case? That's 24x equals 0. So again, x equals 0. So the first, second, and third derivatives are all 0. And this is really a relative minimum. So in order to know, do you have a relative minimum or maximum or point of inflection, you might have to take more derivatives. We're not going into this. It's not part of our book. But you can see it alternates. If an odd derivative is the last derivative that is 0, it's a relative maximum min. If an even derivative is even number of primes is the last one, which is 0, then it's a point of inflection. But there's more complicated things also. This is the basic story. We don't want to go to all the possible details. We really want to point out to you that if one derivative is 0, you don't know necessarily what it is, but one derivative is 0, it's a candidate for being a relative max, relative min. If the second derivative is 0, it's a candidate for being a point of inflection, and we'll determine by sketching the graph, we'll see what actually occurs, and that'll be the best way to find out.